Hey guys, math lesson today, lesson 98. Nothing on here is going to blow your mind. So some of the angle measures of triangles and quadrilaterals. You only need to remember a few things. They're going to throw in um, a couple interesting terms, but you already kind of know them. So let me help you here. So they want to tell you that there's an interior angle and an exterior angle, meaning there's an angle you don't really see. So interior meaning inside. So that would be like, let me do this quick. That would be like the interior angle would be number 2. The exterior angle would be number 1. All these angles have an imaginary dotted line after them. Okay. So in your book you'll see these dotted lines. So interior, inside, exterior, outside, just like yesterday. Okay. So the lesson today is just telling us that the sum of interior angles, so for a triangle, if I do a triangle, the sum of the interior angles is 180 degrees, okay? And the sum of a quadrilateral, any four-sided shape, it doesn't matter what quadrilateral it is, okay? The inside angles of that measure 360 degrees. Interior angles of a triangle 180, interior angles of a quadrilateral is 360. So what they're telling you is that if they have, so let's look at example 1. It says the measure of angle A, and you know how bad I am at drawing, so just ignore it. The measure of angle A in this, or what is the measure of angle A? And they're going to give you C. They gave you C. They said it was 70. And they gave you B. And they said it was 60. So how I figure this out is I already know the whole thing equals 180, right? So if I add 60 plus 70, I'm going to get 130, okay? So I take 180 and subtract 130 from it, and I get 50. So the measure, so that's what that little M means, measure of angle A is 50 degrees, okay? So don't get freaked out when you see this little M. It means measure. So when example 1 says what is the M angle 80, the M means measure. What is the measure of angle A in this triangle? Okay, and we know it's 50. Now if we look at exercise or example 2, we're going to talk about a quadrilateral, which we know equals 360 degrees, okay? So it says, what is the M angle T, measure of angle T in quadrilateral QRST? So the quadrilateral looks something like this. Not exactly, but you know how I am. All right, and then it says, let's see, R, Q, ST, and it gives us some degrees. So it says this one is 80, this one is 110, and this one is also 80. So you have 3 degrees in here, okay? You have 110, 80, and 80. Now, here's the trick. We know the whole thing is 360, okay? So if we take 110 and 80 plus 80 is 160, we're going to get 270. So now we just take 360 minus 270. Okay, let's see, 9. And so our missing degree here, so the measure of angle T is 90 degrees. Okay, that's it for today. It's a super easy lesson. I think they throw a hard one at us like yesterday, and then they throw an easy one at us, and we were happy for it. Anyway, if you have questions, make sure you let me know. Remember, any quadrilateral, 360 degrees. Any triangle is 180 degrees. If you have questions, let me know. Make sure we're doing the practice set. You don't have to do F. That one's a little tricky. You don't have to draw it. You can find the angles of the average number of degrees in each turn, but you don't have to draw it. All right, so let me know if you have any questions. Hope it goes well. I have no doubt it will. See you guys.